Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The MECE model, or Mutually Exclusive Collectively Exhaustive model, is really about defining what you're looking at in terms of lots of different variables or data as mutually exclusive. You don't want overlap. And collectively exhaustive. You want to make sure you're looking at everything. This model originally came out of McKinsey, the consulting firm, and really is just a framework for understanding, are you looking at all of the right stuff in a complete mutually exclusive way? So you can have a number of different templates around it, but the simplest way to address this is to just list out all of the different elements or data elements that you're looking at, making sure there's no overlap and making sure you're looking at everything. It's really that simple, although it can be kind of tricky in order to make sure that you've really considered everything. So making sure you're using multiple inputs from your team, that you have done exhaustive research, that you've talked to customers, depending on what kind of data you're looking at. You want to make sure that you've really considered everything so that it is collectively exhaustive, whatever you're looking at, and then talk to your team and talk to customers to make sure all those elements or the themes or categories you're categorizing your information or data on is indeed mutually exclusive. That's the power of this model. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.